is like, oh, my hair is crazy right now. I've not gotten dressed yet or ready yet or anything yet. It is like 8 a.m. I want to say. I start work at 9 a.m. So I wake up a little early to get ready for the day. And today I'm going to get a tattoo myself. So I wanted to vlog today, obviously. Fun day. So I'm going to get dressed real quick and then we'll start our day together. I am dressed now and now it's time to do my hair and makeup. Kind of thinking I just might want to do some bubble braids. Unplugging curler, we're gonna do bubble braids. I get asked a lot how I do these. I have a mega pack of these little black bands. I'm gonna take a little front section. So once you have your 2 ponytails, this looks crazy. You're gonna get another band and basically you're gonna grab up another section of hair from the front. Started the bubbles and then you're just gonna keep doing it. To get about halfway down your head, go ahead and pull out the top couple bubbles so you start to see them a little bit. And then one more. I always put them into little space buns. It's up to you. You can literally put them however you want to put them. You can obviously make it your own. And then I'm just gonna wet down my bangs because my bangs are acting foolish this morning. So yeah, that was a quick and easy tutorial. I wear e.l.f. mascara. It's not perfect, but I'm in a bit of a rush, so. This is it. I would show you the full fit. Maybe I can out here. All right, let's go to work. Okay, here's the fit. Is it dumb? Yes, I know that. It is what it is. I'm getting a tattoo right here in this empty spot, so I have to wear a tank top or else I would not be wearing a tank top. And then these are H&M, this is Walmart, and then I have on my Air Jordans. They're actually not mine, they're Josh's, but I like to steal his shoes because we have the same shoe size, so that's the fit. Okay, now let's start work. Downtime at work, so I'm gonna real quick make my bed, and I just cleaned my cat's litter box, and then hopefully it'll be around 11 o'clock. I'll break my coworker for lunch. Then when she's back, guess who gets to go? Yeah, girl. Let's make my bed. Kitchen is clean, room is clean. I totally forgot that I got sandwich stuff. I'm gonna try to show it. I want to try to make, it's not gonna be the exact same, but me and my friend Nikki always go to the Riviera Resort at Disney, and we get this chicken sandwich, and it's got all of this amazing stuff on it that looks so good, and I didn't get like the exact things, like this is very different. But I'm going to attempt, I think this is like, we're going to attempt to make something similar. It's, trust me when I say it's not going to be the same thing. Here are my ingredients. So it's got like, it's like a, I don't even know what it is. But I got this creamy spinach dip, which they put on like this spinach spread. This is like the closest thing I can think of. Cheese. I'm not doing a chicken breast because I don't want to cook. So I got turkey, and then baby arugula. I don't know. I'm not usually an arugula girly, but we're gonna attempt. Mmm. Mmm. I need to update you on the sandwich. I gave up eating it because the textures are crazy. The bread needs to be toasted. This, too much textures. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tom. Birthday to you.
Wait.
Oh boy, don't burn yourself.
Do that.
Yeah. We're not getting burnt on the birthday.
No Michael Jackson.
Oh, got the good.
Got it.
I'm like a mom
Got
on
it.
Christmas. Oh, happy birthday. Okay, guys, we're halfway done. Got this arm, doing Wally, a little Floor, and a little Eve. All right, we did this little flower Philly, and then this Mickey, and we did the second star to the right, unprompted, unscripted. What do you even call that? We used our 2 brain cells put together to come up with that guy. Yeah. And then Wally and Eve with her little circles, and then we did this little filler flower here. 10 hours later. Okay, goodbye. I feel so much better about my tattoos right now. I was just really annoyed with this spot being open, so now I just like, it feels good. And my elbows are covered up. Still probably gonna do something back here. Probably not. Maybe something back here. Probably not though. Honestly, this is probably, for the most part, my sleeves. Now I gotta start on my back. I'm so excited. And I have my other leg to work on, but one thing at a time. Kitty is doing some sort of yoga. What's that? What is that even? Joining me today. That was a fun day. I've been having a lot of fun days lately. Another fun one. All right. Bye.